Hello, Menzerna. Welcome to today's online training. My name is Jolt, and today I will present you our metal polish. So we will have two main topics. The first will be that I will explain you the application about metal polish, and in the second step I will explain you how to use metal polish correctly. So here you find this product. This is our metal polish, which is a universal paste for various surfaces. So you can polish with this product chrome, stainless steel, aluminium, copper, noble metal like silver and gold, platinum, and even unpainted plastic. And the advantage for you guys is that this product is very easy to use. I will show you later, because it's a very easy application. You just need a microfiber towel and your two hands. And after the application, you will have a very high gloss finish and the part will look beautiful you polished before. So this product removes deposits from the surface, oxidation, and slight signs of wear if we talk about jewelry. And I know that many guys from detailing are watching. For you it's also important because you can use this product also in your business. So for detailers, watch out. You can use it for exhaust system, for tailpipes, and for all chrome plated surfaces you have at the car. So all chrome parts you have, you can polish with this product. Even if we have boat enthusiasts here, you can use it also for boats. And what is very, very important, we have the certification for international non-food compounds for this product. It's NSF. So this is very important, that it's no problem to use it if you have contact with the skin or even with food. If you polish cutlery, you can use this product. And now I would like to show you how this product works in real. So I would like to show you two parts. So this is a silver spoon I got from my grandmother. So this is how it looks like before. You can see a very high oxidation on this product. And now I will polish it with metal polish. So that we can see the result later, I have two spoons. I will polish only one spoon and then we see the difference. So therefore, I take the product metal polish and the microfiber cloth. So I just put a very small amount onto the microfiber. So this is enough. And then just start polishing. With this product. So you wipe it, and it's very nice also to use it in the kitchen, in the bathroom, everywhere where you have metal surfaces. And now I would like to show you the difference. So this is the polished spoon, and this is the not a polished spoon. As you can see, you have a high gloss, very easy application. This was silver. Now I would like to show you the same with brass. So brass, now you may ask yourself, brass, where I use it. For example, in music instrument, there are many brass instruments. So again, a small amount on the towel. Now I put it back. And again, please have a look. This is how it looks like before the polishing. And now I'm just polishing with my hand very easily. And after finishing, you just wipe it off, just clean the surface, and here you go. Here you have a very clean and glossy surface. And what I would like to show you, so the microfiber towel was clean before. Here you can see what I took off of the surface. Here you can see the black spots. So now I would like to summarize what we talked about. So metal polish, for you to understand, is useful for mostly every surfaces, mainly metal, aluminium, stainless steel, brass, copper, silver, noble metals, and even painted surfaces. It's very easy to use. It's a manual application everybody can do, and only what you need is a microfiber towel and the metal polish. And application is also a very broad range. You can use it for kitchen, bathroom, for automotive application, for your cars, for motorcycles, for boats, cars, and even musical instrument. And please don't forget that these products is NSF approved, means non-food compounds registration, so there is no problem if you have contact to your skin. So thank you for your attention, and depending where you are coming from, please go to our webpage menzerna.com, and there you can find the online shops in your countries. Thank you for your attention. Bye.
Menzerna Polishing Compounds. Perfection in polishing.